again another day. Little baby who wants to